Hi, I'm Connor, Server Kid. Today's question is about Gutenberg.
So thanks, Corey. Today's question is, what is Gutenberg? What it's all about? So this is a bit of a longer video than we normally do. So Gutenberg is basically what is coming in WordPress 5.0 as default. And basically what WordPress has been out now, donkey's years, 15, whatever years. And the WYSIWYG, the editor you use to write your posts and your pages, hasn't really changed in that much time. It's still really fundamentally a plain box. And to do much, you have to install plugins. Now that's all changing with Gutenberg and the release of 5.0. A brand new editor will be in place. So what is it? It basically is a whole new front end. It's drag and drop boxes, you can create tables easily, it's responsive, and all this without any plugins. So you can do tables, you can do columns, you can do headings easily, you can insert images, you can insert videos, all by just dragging and dropping stuff in. And more importantly, because you're not using any plugins to do all this, it's just one nice little loader, the big impact is it loads a hell of a lot quicker, which is important, because we all know page speed is important, we've covered that on videos before. More importantly, you're not having several plugins to create one post. You are fundamentally have well, at the moment it's a plugin to install it, which then overrides. You then get the new functionality if you want it sooner to test out. But you're not having to have multiple plugins to do tables, columns, add videos, add images, or you're not having to do the coding yourself. So it's pretty cool, and so like I said, it loads super quick, you know, and all that. The plugin has been out a while, but it was updated 3 days ago with a lot of new functionality. So I would recommend going and installing it. So you want to install it. So how do you do it? It's pretty simple actually. Plugins, add new. I've already activated, but it's the number one here. Install, activate. That's simple. Done in minutes. Well, yeah. So pretty simple to do. Recommend you go and do it now. Especially on old sites. We're going to go through some stages in a minute about what impact it has on new and existing sites, etc. But at least install it, especially on brand new sites. So there you go. So if you install it on a current site, the main questions we've been asked are: does it impact all blog posts? As in, do you lose all your functionality and features? And what functionalities are not currently available in the plugin? And the first part of that question is it backwards compatible? So let's take a look. So this is an old article. And as you can see, this is the new interface. So yes, it automatically updates the old blog post. Does all functionality move across from the old one to the new one? Everything we've tested, yes. I'm going to sit here and confidently say everything does. No, I can imagine that on certain things, some things might break, but it might be worth setting this up on a test development site somewhere, especially if it's a big site that gets a lot of traffic. Installing the plugin, making sure everything works, and then when 5.0 does update, you're not having to worry. But yes, everything's moved across for us. So yeah, it's fine here. And any new posts you create or any new pages you create using Gutenberg. Any new website you create, I would also just recommend going Gutenberg from the start. Existing sites, well, you're going to have to get used to this. Unless, so they have said when they do release it in 5.0, and I don't know when that will be, that you will be able to install a plugin to get the old WYSIWYG editor back. I don't know why you want it, but if you don't like change, you want to say that, you can do. But this is coming in 5.0. You don't have a choice. So if you might as well go ahead and install it now. Like I said, on all blog posts, it's not going to make no difference. The future, is it perfect? So the important question is, how do you actually add a new blog post? And I'm going to say it's really simple. Like you did on your old one, add a new post. Give the blog article a title, so blog title. want to click Save Draft. That then creates your URL, which you can edit if you need to. And then you might want to add a block of text here, so block of text. And then you might decide actually that's fine. It's just the same as anything else. So you might want to hide block, edit HTML, duplicate. And then you might go, actually I want to adding these are the features you can have, paragraph headings. So heading 2 might be heading 2. You might want to go, actually I want to add a column blocking, so you just search from columns. Then you got your columns, so column A, and then here you might want to insert an image or a gallery of things or covering. Well, you won't add a cover image there, but they do that at the top. But you get what I mean. You can add a video in. There's videos in here somewhere. Videos, subheadings, audios. There's a lot you can add in. Problem with this is some people like to know how many words there are in their articles, and if it's different blocks, it's quite hard to calculate unless you use other software. This little icon here tells you got 10 words, 1 heading, 5 paragraphs, 9 blocks. So it's pretty cool. And then you got your different features, save draft, and then if you're ready to publish, just hit publish. Obviously, I'm not going to publish this because it's a live site and I don't want to. But yeah, it's that simple to add articles. And you do the same for pages, it's exactly the same concept. So what will happen in the future? I'm guessing a lot more. But at the moment, the functionality is pretty easy. It's just drag and drop. So far, we've installed it on a couple of sites. Had some great fun learnings. It's not easy. It's pretty easy out of the box. It's not the easiest thing, but it's a whole new way of creating pages. But it does give you some real cool functionality. So yeah, like I said, you don't really have a lot of choice. Gutenberg is coming in 5.0. It will be the default. What I'd recommend is if you've got a test site, maybe create any test, add it to your test site now, and get used to all the new functionality so that when it does become the norm, it's not a shock to you. Thanks for watching.